So there's some education that needs to be done. I can see that.
As you can see, we're frosting cinnamon rolls over here, and basically this needs to be done the second cinnamon rolls come out of the oven. And I've told Talha and Muzammil कि जैसे cinnamon rolls buy रहे हैं उन्हें गरम गरम frost करते हैं, अगर आप ठंडा करने का wait करोगे तो they don't really it doesn't really hit the same, and I think that's reason enough for them to frost them while they're hot. You know what I mean? अब यहाँ पे ठंडे हो गए थे cinnamon rolls, अब मैंने cut कर रहा हूँ, and now it's time to decorate them. And here's me flexing my brownies because they're just so good. These are gonna go on Valentine brownies roll actually. तो ये इसके लिए कट की थी. मुज़म्मिल साइड पर cinnamon rolls को Nutella के साथ fill कर रहा है. Meanwhile मैं Valentine brownies को लोड करने लग गया हूँ brownies के साथ, जो कि दूसरा कैमरा कवर करेगा. And yeah, there we go, there it is. As you can see, मुझे यहाँ पर cinnamon rolls को decorate कर रहा है. I want to cover that angle as well. तो मैंने अब यहाँ पर ये भी clip add किया. The cinnamon rolls, Nutella cinnamon rolls, they are called heavy on our menu, and they're just really popular, like our best sellers, and it's been that way for like the past year or two, and especially with baked Lahore and even with Rahat now, Rahat Bakers, these cinnamon rolls really are loved by everyone. Mashallah, alhamdulillah. Here again you can see me in the back loading cinnamon rolls with brownies. And can you see that? Wait, हमारे पास अभी iPad के लिए कोई stand नहीं है, जैसे tripod stand. फ़ोन उसको मैंने अपना सेट किया हुआ है, मगर iPad को सेट करने के लिए मैंने नीचे कपड़ा लगाया हुआ ताकि वो गिरे ना, और इसके पीछे डब्बे रखे हुए हैं ताकि वो स्टेबल रहे, और इसका ऐसा मैंने एडजस्ट किया हुआ है, which is so funny. But yeah, that's what we're doing. And yeah, I just love to do that. This is my favorite thing to do, to load the cinnamon rolls with brownies. and not be stingy with it, because we're never stingy on big fat rolls. Alright, so this is like my favorite thing to do as well. The whole process is my favorite, but this one's really like you have to be careful during this step because you can't be messy. आप थोड़ी सी चॉकलेट डालते हो, उसका सेट होने का वेट करते हो, and then you come back to it again. तो यहाँ पर after adding brownie chunks to my cinnamon rolls, I am now coating all of it with tempered chocolate, and what that does is it basically binds the brownies and the cinnamon roll together, ताकि even if a rider is careless during delivery, we know that nothing will happen to them, और वो बिल्कुल सही रहेंगे, ख़राब नहीं होंगे, which is really a clever thing to do. And my mind came up with it, so pretty good. The orders are packed over here and they're ready to be delivered, and what we started doing is now we deliver the orders on bike. पहले हम लोग इसको गाड़ी पर डिलीवर करवाया करते थे, मगर उसकी कॉस्ट काफ़ी ज़्यादा आ रही थी और वो it was a bit inconvenient. Then now we deliver them on bike. So after cling wrapping the whole box, we make another box out of cardboard, and then they put the order in it, and that way rider can safely deliver it on the bike. This is very cost effective and really clever idea suggested by a rider a couple of days ago, and we just do that now. यहाँ पे मुज़म्मिल और तलहा नीचे जाके राइडर्स को बता रहे हैं कि ऑर्डर्स कैसे लेके जाने हैं, और उन्हें पूरा डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर रहे हैं कि वो सिर्फ बचाएं bumps वगैरह से, just be super cautious with the order. And that was pretty much it. And after that, I think we just made brownies and cookies, which is maybe I'll document that for another day. Thank you for watching the whole video. Let me know what you guys think.